Anthony Buendia. Nasaan ang mga ito? 6th place. Jack Wambot. Buendia. Sino Buendia? Buendia. O si Jack
Ariel.
Wambot.
Ariel.
Yun. Jack Wams.
Yeah.
5th place. Art Villaran. Art Solomon Villaran.
Wait lang. 1.
4th place.
Ay, Gogong.
Anton Benedict David from Iloilo City. Okay, the top 3. Yung finalists going to the grand finals. Third place from Cagayan de Oro, James Taglinaw. James Keeper Taglinaw. Runner-up from Cebu City, James Keeper. From Cebu City, Dwayne Vin Abella. Runner-up. Abella, runner-up. And the champion, boys underneath. Naalala mo to, first round, napagkamalabog pang babae. Dwayne Pahaganas. Ginuha mo kang babae, no? Sa Histrong Escalante, si Degros Occidental. Okay, congratulations.
Aisa.
So again, yung top 3,